As we know, one of the challenges faced by businesses today is siloed planning. That is, no coordination among the planners of various functions such as operations and finance. This keeps businesses from making timely decisions. So, how can enterprises overcome this problem? In this video, let us introduce Extended Planning and Analysis, popularly known as xP&A. The X represents consistent and continuous planning that brings together supply chain planning and financial planning. While the financial planning process is critical for ensuring that a company's financial goals are aligned, often operations planning, such as demand and supply planning or production planning, are not taken into account, which can pose a high risk for the businesses. xP&A is a planning method that brings supply chain planning and financial planning together to provide insights into financial planning based on operational inputs or vice versa. According to Gartner, by 2024, 70% of new financial planning and analysis projects will transition into extended planning and analysis projects. Why should organizations pick xP&A over FP&A or supply chain planning individually? Well, let's look at the following scenario. Imagine if various functions of an organization are planning independently, with no understanding of the impact caused by each other. For example, a percentage uplift in revenue planning without understanding its impact on demand planning, procurement planning, marketing planning, production planning, etc., can cause chaos. Connecting operations and finance creates a seamless experience for these functions. This is where xP&A helps. xP&A provides real-time visibility of data across all functions in an organization. It enables finance and supply chain professionals to consolidate forecasts and metrics from across the organization. With this approach, the strategic, financial, and operational goals are synchronized, aligning the entire business towards one shared vision. This also fuels a sense of collaboration among various functions in an organization. GIB, a sophisticated supply chain planning tool, baselines the volumes and the rates at the chosen level of granularity. For example, at a material level, as seen in the image. It also allows planners to adjust the volumes, thereby arriving at a final plan volume. Thus, GIB enables synchronization between the demand and the production planning. The approved final volumes are leveraged in the SAC for sales and revenue planning. SAP Analytics Cloud, an all-on-one flexible cloud solution, creates one connected plan across lines of business, strengthening collaboration throughout the organization. Now let us dive into SAC and see how input from operations affects financial planning. The volume and rates from the GIB supply chain planning system drives the SAC sales and revenue model. SAC allows planners to make adjustments on top of the baseline figures. Additionally, planners can plan the discounts, COGS, and operating expenses to derive final revenue. Business logic is built in SAC to calculate revenue. Planners can trigger the business logic to calculate the operating income, which is then available in the finance module for further analysis. As outlined earlier, xP&A brings together supply chain planning and financial planning to create seamless planning processes and help organizations stay ahead of the competition.